are some steps that you can follow to make a successful unboxing YouTube video. 1. Choose a product that you are excited to unbox. This will make the video more interesting for both you and your viewers. 2. Set up your camera and lighting in a way that will make the unboxing experience clear and easy to see. 3. Start the video by introducing yourself and the product that you are unboxing. 4. Carefully remove the product from its packaging, making sure to show all the details and features of the product. 5. Show the product in detail, highlighting its features and explaining why you like it. 6. Share your initial thoughts and impressions of the product, and let your viewers know if you would recommend it. 7. End the video by thanking your viewers for watching and inviting them to leave a comment, question, and subscribing. Thanks for viewing. I'm waiting for you in the comments section. Also, please subscribe.